In order to install plastic snaps, here's what you're going to need for supplies.
You're going to need 2 caps. Those are the pieces that are flat on one side and have this little pointy bit in the middle on the other. And you need 1 male portion of the snap. That's the one that has the outie belly button on it. And 1 female portion, and that is the one that looks like an innie belly button. You're going to need an awl to punch the holes. You're also going to need a way to install the snaps. I'm going to be using a Cam Snap table press, and if you're using a table press with me, you would also need the adapter base and the dies for plastic snaps, the male and female portion of dies. Or you can also use a handheld snap press. Now we want to punch the hole through the fabric, so you grab your awl, just put it in the center of your mark, and push through your fabric. Easy peasy. Do that at both ends. Like that. Before you do any installing, you need to get your press ready. Because I'm using a table press, I am going to put my adapter into the base, like that. I'm going to begin by installing the male portion of the snap. That's the kind that looks like an outie belly button. And because this is the male portion, I need to install it with the female die. They work in opposition or in concert together. So you need a male and a female is how these work. So I'm going to put my female die into my table press. Now for this one, I'm going to pick a side to be the front, and I'm going to put my cap through from the pretty side of the fabric through to the inside less pretty part. I have my little pointy bit sticking out. I'm going to put the male portion of my snap onto that little pointy bit. I'm going to put the whole thing into my press with the flat side cap down and squeeze. That's installed the male portion. I'm going to change out my die. And because I am now installing the female portion, I'm going to be using the male die with the ring in the center. Put that into my press. Now I want my cap. I'm going to put that from the unpretty side, the wrong side of my fabric, through to the pretty side. So now the pretty side of my fabric has the little pointy bit. I'm going to put my female snap portion on there, and I'm going to put the whole thing back into the press with the cap down and give it a squeeze. And now we're going to test it out, wrap it around, and it's ready to go.